on the tragic bombing of Aizawl on 6 March 1966 by the Indian government, which started a long period of civil unrest in Mizoram, which we generally know as Ramboy. I've taken the title from one of my favorite Beatles songs. It's called Blackbirds Fly. The day is marked red, the day the children fled from the fury of the mother who came with 3 blackbirds without feather, to turn the city into crumpled dirt. No signs, no warning, no mercy, only chaos to stop the insurgency. The fateful day when blackbirds fly, dropping bundles of destruction along the way. For the nation and for peace, they said, turning the mountain breeze into thick smoke, where men lay dead like burned logs. Helpless crowds fled in fear. From a distance they could see clear. Different shades of red colored the city like bad art. Fire, fire everywhere. Children who thought that planes do nothing but fly. Men and women who thought fire is only for cooking. Angry clouds coiled like a venomous snake. Oh, helpless eyes, shattered hearts, silently they ask, why are some violence called law, while some are called crime? 50 years have passed. The scars and leftovers still haunt us, not only in museums, but in every heart, in every home. But we are learning to heal. The mountain breeze is blowing again. The grasses are turning green. Do not forget, we are the people who grow crops from burnt-out lands. We took the ashes to forge something mightier than a sword, something stronger than a bomb. We begin to find a passion that exhausts our pain. The wreckage gave us a story. The massacre turned into a poem, a narrative, a song. Out of the ashes, Zohrami is born. Thank you.